Welcome to our channel Freshers Now. Today's video is about ITI Limited recruitment, and whoever want to read about this recruitment details, check out the link from the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for ITI Limited Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Through our website, you can get all the detailed information and links to access and apply at one place itself. Join our Telegram group and you can get regular job updates. You can join the Telegram channel with the link which will be provided in the description box directly. ITI Limited has opened its vacancies for the posts of lab technician, supervisor, inspectors or testers and operator posts. For all of these posts, there are 22 vacancies available. The starting date to apply has already begun. The ending dates of the application for online submission, it is 18th of July 2021, and the last date for submission of hard copy will be on 22nd of July. This is under central government and it is a tenure basis for a period of 5 years with the provision of the absorption. And next off, it is the job location details. You will be placed in Bangalore if you are hired, and do cross check with the official website if you need any sort of clarifications regarding the recruitment. Heading over to the vacancy details, for lab technician there is 1 vacancy, for supervisor 6, for inspectors or testers there are 3 vacancies, for operator category C the vacancies are 12. So here you can see the category division for each of the posts and also the number of the vacancies as mentioned. So in total we have 22 vacancies respectively. The education requirement for the post of lab technician, you should have a full-time course of a 3 years diploma in chemical engineering or a full-time course in BSc PCM from a recognized institute or university. For supervisor, 3 years course in diploma in mechanical engineering from a recognized institute. Then for inspectors or testers, it's again 3 years diploma in mechanical engineering. For operator post, SSLC or 10th standard pass, you should have ITI trade certificate in fitter in NCVT or NCA recognized passing certificate from this institute. Next off is candidates whoever are applying for this post, you should note that you should not be more than 28 years of age when you are applying. And next is the age relaxation details. The relaxation for SC, ST, PWD or EWS candidates, the relaxation is for 5 years, 3 years for OBC, and for ex-servicemen personnel will be in accordance with the GOI guidelines. Next is the maximum age limit. The period of service in the armed forces plus 3 years will be deducted from the actual age of the person and should not exceed the age which has prescribed. It should be below 53 years of age if you have served in the armed forces. Pay scale details will be accordingly, which is salary 18,946, basic pay with VDA plus HRA plus CCA will be applicable, and that is the minimum pay of the posts. And next is category E positions has the pay scale of rupees 20,757. Whoever are willing to apply, you can do cross check with the official website, read this particular notification properly, and then you have the application online link. Click on it and further proceed with the online application form. Submit to the officials before 18th of July, and your hard copy of the application should be submitted by 22nd of July 2021. If you are reading this notification through Freshers Now, you can see the notification PDF for all of these posts. I can click here and download. Whoever are applying for the remaining posts of a lab technician, supervisor, inspectors, etc., you can click here and further download the notification, read all requirements and also the criteria which the officials are looking for, and then proceed to apply. The address to send in your hard copy of the application forms, if required with the self-attested relevant documents, please note down this particular address and then you can send in your hard copy before the last date. Further queries can be placed in the comment section. Do subscribe and thank you for watching.